Hello everyone, this is Mayank Chawda with Team Microbe here. As you know, we are a customized PCB test fixture manufacturing company and providing different types of test solutions in market in India as well as out of India. So this is an economic version of PCB test fixture. So if you have any low range and if you want to access some of the test points only and you want the economic solutions for bed of nail, this kind of PCB test fixture is unique and you can use it for your more productivity. So by using this kind of fixes, you will get the accuracy of PCB at intersection with the bed of nails with the Pogo pins. More productivity you will get, the lesser time for the production will be there, and there won't be any issues while testing. Like if high voltage, high amperes are coming in that case, you can have this kind of access of bed of nails. So no need to have the multimeters of wirings attaching to each and every test points. Use this kind of PCB test fixer for your production range. So if you are into electronics manufacturing, or if you are a EMS supplier, or if you are a design company, then this kind of PCBA test fixes are suitable for production as well as prototype testing purpose. So let's give you a practical demo. Like this is a PCB test fixer with ESD type material with aluminum sections and profile, and this kind of enclosing is there. So here is a bed of nail attached. These are the pins which are going to come in intersection with particular test points, and these fixtures are for flashing of PCBA. So no need to attach any wire or solder a wire on PCB, or no need to have the buck strip on the PCBA. It is additional cost for a company and additional space requirement for a PCB also. So just need to put this PCB here. Just need to close this uh, enclosure. So PCB will come in contact with particular test points and intersects in particular test points. So it is going to be a very easy system. While just take it this PCB, just need to put this PCB and new PCB, just need to close this. So automatically test points are going to come in particular contact of the Pogo pins. So yeah, this kind of fixes is widely used. This is a new product launch from Micro. This is also one PCB attached fixer. You can see a bed of nail here. So very smooth operations, very quick operations, and user will get enough space while putting the PCB on fixer. So no any area is going to come into the picture. So in some other applications also you can use this kind of fixer where the height of component is high, or you need a proper visibility, or you need to access this area. In toggle clamp based fixture you will not get the access of this area. In this kind of fixtures you will get the access of the area. So you can use these kind of fixtures for multiple applications. So if you have any such kind of requirements, please do contact Micro. We are providing fixtures in India, in all India, as well as in overseas market in US, Canada, and Australia, and other European countries. So please like, share, and subscribe our channel. You will get the motivations on videos also, and provide you the best videos for PCBA testing solutions. And if you have any such kind of requirements, please contact Micro. Thank you guys for watching this video.